Looking at another product that Knox has out there for firefighters is the Knox FDC Lock. Now this helps us secure our FDCs from a common problem that we see out there every day. You walk down the street, you're going to see this, trash inside this FDC. Now I've got two choices. If I stick my hand inside there, it's very dangerous. Very dangerous to stick my hand inside there because not only is there trash in there, but there's also, this could be used as a drug locker. There could be spent drug needles in there. I could get my hand stuck or pricked. So I would never want to stick my hand in there. I want to back flush the system, push everything out of there. Once it's all out of there, then I can lock it up. The other thing we're concerned about is in the future, it's a 4-inch hole in the side of your building. Your building is totally secure except this 4-inch hole. This 4-inch hole is a great place where somebody who wanted to damage your building, they could put a pipe bomb in there. I'm not the first one that's thought of this, so understand that this is certainly a problem of the future. Now, we've back flushed the system. Everything has come out. I'm going to take my Knox FDC lock with the swivel guard on there. I'm going to put it on here, and I'm going to lock it up. So I just simply screw it back on here. Once I get it on, then I take it and I lock it in place. So I take the key wrench, lock it in place, and then now I've got it. Now if I want to take it back off, about 4 turns of the wrench, it's off. I can now then take it, unscrew it, and it's off. Now the important thing about the swivel guard is it also protects this female collar. There's a tiny set screw in the top of this. If that set screw is removed, now someone can steal your cap and your collar, and now the fire department can't use the FDC at all. For our larger diameter hose out there now we're seeing people are using large diameter hose, so they're moving from the standard 2-way FDC to a storage connection. Now, again, the same key wrench that opens up this lock opens this lock. These are universal. These are available for every fire department across the country at no charge to them. They'll put one in every firefighter's bunker gear from Knox. They want you to have everything you need to make this thing work properly for you and safely. Now, this will work. The Knox store guard works a little bit differently. Notice on this side we had to thread the FDC open and closed. Over here, it's a simple little eyelet you see, unlocked and locked, latched and unlatched. So I simply stick my key in, turn the key, and it's open. You see the light change here, the light changes there. So again, locked, unlocked. Knox has developed a spanner wrench that they're coming out with. This will be available shortly, probably in the fall. That's what we're looking at. This is going to be a spanner wrench that's out there. So again, it allows you to use it like a traditional spanner wrench, but there's going to be a Knox key wrench head on the end of this. This then will allow me then to go in and again easily unlock any of these devices by using the Knox spanner. So another product that goes along with your FDC is the Standpipe outlet. This is going to be a discharge outlet. It's going to be inside the stairwell of any kind of a high-rise building or a parking garage. Is going to be a standpipe connection. Now the standpipe connection is where the firefighters are going to hook up hose to go in and fight the fire manually. So the code requires or allows the fire department to require FDCs. The code also allows the fire department to require locking standpipe caps on buildings where they deem necessary. It could be a wet or dry system. We see a lot of problems though in the dry systems from the system. These valves are not indicating type valves. In other words, you can't tell, but look at this valve, is it open or closed? I don't know, you don't know. Is it open or closed? So kids come along and steal the brass, take the brass away, whatever. They turn the valve on, no water comes out, they get bored and run away. The firefighters then come along, a car fire on the 4th floor of a parking garage. They pump into the FDC we saw earlier, and now water is going out on the second floor because all the valves have been turned on and the brass has been stolen. Firefighter on the fourth floor needing water can't get water. A lot of time lost, more cars burned, a lot more damage to the building and structure. On wet pipe systems, the problem there is if someone goes inside a stairwell in a wet pipe system, which that means there's water right there at this valve. Take the cap off and someone turns the valve on, water immediately starts coming out of this 4-inch pipe, causing all kinds of flooding and vandalism to the building. So let's look at what Knox has for us on this one. This has the Knox Standpipe lock, same key wrench that we use to unlock our FDC and lock our FDC, locks and unlocks our standpipe. So the same key wrench works here. Just insert it in here. Again, about 4 or 5 turns. It's snug. I now open this up, and there I have it. Again, very, very important that we protect these male threads. If these caps are missing, you may say, oh, it's no big deal, the cap's missing. But if this cap is missing and then someone has come along and damaged these threads, then I can't get my fire hose to screw on there. It's got to be perfectly round. The threads have to be perfectly intact or my fire hose won't go on there.